Our topic today is 32 powerful leaders and revolutionaries. We are going to learn about them. Throughout history, great leaders and revolutionaries have played a vital role in shaping the world we live in today. They challenged injustice, fought against oppression, and inspired people to seek freedom, equality, and unity. Some led peaceful movements, while others used revolutionary ideas and actions to bring major political and social change. The stories of these 32 great leaders and revolutionaries highlight courage, sacrifice, and visionary leadership that continue to inspire generations around the globe. One. Mahatma Gandhi, India. Mahatma Gandhi led India's freedom struggle against British rule through non-violence and civil disobedience. His philosophy of ahimsa and satyagraha inspired global movements for justice. He remains a symbol of peace and moral leadership. 2. Nelson Mandela, South Africa. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid and racial inequality. After 27 years in prison, he became South Africa's first black president. He worked for peace and national unity. 3. Abraham Lincoln, USA. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. He led the country during the Civil War and helped end slavery. He is remembered for honesty. 4. George Washington, USA. George Washington led the American Revolution against British rule. He became the first President of the United States. His leadership laid the foundation for American democracy. 5. Napoleon Bonaparte, France. Napoleon Bonaparte rose from a military officer to Emperor of France. He introduced major legal reforms through the Napoleonic Code. His conquests reshaped European politics. 6. Vladimir Lenin, Russia. Vladimir Lenin led the Russian Revolution of 1917. He founded the Soviet Union and introduced communist ideology. His leadership changed global political thought. 7. Julius Caesar, Rome. Julius Caesar was a Roman general and statesman. His leadership ended the Roman Republic and led to the rise of the Roman Empire. He was known for military brilliance and reforms. 8. Alexander the Great, Macedonia. Alexander the Great created one of the largest empires in history. He spread Greek culture across Asia, Africa, and Europe. His military strategies are still studied today. 9. Che Guevara, Argentina, Cuba. Che Guevara was a key figure in the Cuban Revolution. He advocated armed struggle against imperialism. He became a global revolutionary icon. 10. Fidel Castro, Cuba. Fidel Castro led the Cuban Revolution in 1959. He ruled Cuba for decades as a socialist leader. His leadership strongly influenced Cold War politics. 11. Martin Luther King Jr., USA. Martin Luther King Jr. led the American Civil Rights Movement. He promoted racial equality through nonviolent protest. His speeches continue to inspire human rights movements. 12. Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh led Vietnam's struggle for independence from colonial rule. He founded the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. His leadership shaped modern Vietnamese history. 13. Mao Zedong, China. Mao Zedong led the Chinese Communist Revolution. He founded the People's Republic of China in 1949. His policies deeply transformed Chinese society. 14. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, Turkey. Ataturk led Turkey's independence movement after World War I. He modernized Turkey through secular and political reforms. He is regarded as the founder of modern Turkey. 15. Simon Bolivar, South America. Simon Bolivar led independence movements across South America. He freed several nations from Spanish rule. He is known as El Libertador. 16. Sun Tzu, China. Sun Tzu was a military strategist and philosopher. He authored The Art of War. His ideas influence leadership and warfare even today. 17. Joan of Arc, France. Joan of Arc led French forces during the 100 Years' War. Her courage inspired national unity. She became a symbol of faith and patriotism. 18. Benito Juárez, Mexico. Benito Juárez led Mexico during political turmoil and reform. He defended national sovereignty against foreign intervention. He promoted democracy and equality. 19. Emiliano Zapata, Mexico. Emiliano Zapata was a leader of the Mexican Revolution. He fought for land reforms and farmers' rights. He became a symbol of social justice. 20. Sukarno, Indonesia. Sukarno led Indonesia's independence from Dutch colonial rule. He became the nation's first president. His leadership united diverse cultures. 21. Jamal Abdel Nasser, Egypt. Nasser was a leading Arab nationalist leader. He nationalized the Suez Canal and promoted pan-Arab unity. He reshaped Middle Eastern politics. 22. Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah led Ghana to independence from British rule. He promoted Pan-Africanism. His vision influenced African liberation movements. 23. José Martí, Cuba. José Martí was a writer and revolutionary thinker. He fought for Cuban independence from Spain. He is remembered as a national hero. 24. Thomas Jefferson, USA. Thomas Jefferson was a key leader of the American Revolution. He authored the Declaration of Independence. He promoted liberty and democratic ideals. 25. B. R. Ambedkar, India. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was a social reformer and constitutional leader. He fought against caste discrimination. He was the chief architect of India's constitution. 26. Subhash Chandra Bose, India. Subhash Chandra Bose led the Indian National Army against British rule. He believed in armed resistance for freedom. He remains a symbol of patriotism. 27. Harriet Tubman, USA. Harriet Tubman was a leader in the abolitionist movement. She helped enslaved people escape through the Underground Railroad. Her courage changed lives. 28. Toussaint Louverture, Haiti. Toussaint Louverture led the Haitian Revolution. He helped end slavery and colonial rule. His leadership created the first Black Republic. 29. Pol Pot, Cambodia. Pol Pot led the Khmer Rouge movement in Cambodia. His radical revolution caused massive human suffering. He remains a controversial historical figure. 30. Aung San, Myanmar. Aung San led Burma's independence movement. He is regarded as the founder of modern Myanmar. His legacy shaped the nation's future. 31. Lech Walesa, Poland. Lech Walesa led the Solidarity movement against communist rule. His peaceful revolution helped end authoritarian control. He became Poland's president. 32. Deng Xiaoping, China. Deng Xiaoping led economic reforms in China. He transformed China into a global economic power. His leadership reshaped modern China. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.